You stand in the driveway staring at a stack of massive crates. This is the moment your backyard stops being just a lawn and starts becoming a destination. This modular outdoor kitchen is a total beast. It is not your average weekend warrior grill. We are talking about a professional-grade setup that arrives in several separate pieces. The first thing you notice is the weight of the stainless steel. It feels industrial. It feels like it could survive a hurricane. Most people get intimidated by the idea of building an entire kitchen. They think they need a construction crew. That is not actually the case. These modules are designed for the enthusiast who wants a luxury look without the custom-built price tag. You start with the cabinets. You need a perfectly flat patio for this to work. If the ground is uneven, the whole thing will look crooked. You line them up carefully. You slide the sections together. It starts to take shape before your eyes. Then you call over a neighbor. You definitely need help with the grill head. It is a solid, heavy piece of engineering. Once it drops into place, the scale of the thing hits you. The polished finish catches the light. It looks like a permanent fixture. It looks expensive, but it is the functionality that really wins you over. You have all this counter space. You can chop your onions and season your meat right there. No more balancing plates on the edge of a tiny side table. There are drawers for every tool you own. There is a dedicated spot for the gas tank. You can even hook it up to a natural gas line if you prefer. Before you cook your first meal, you have to be smart. You run a leak test on all the connections. You let the burners roar for a bit to clear out any manufacturing residue. Then the real fun starts. The heat distribution is incredible. Most grills have those annoying cold zones where the chicken stays raw. This system uses high-end burners that keep the temperature rock steady across the entire surface. You have a side burner for simmering a spicy sauce or boiling corn. It is a complete workflow. When the sun starts to set, you flip the switch. The control knobs glow with blue LED lights. It looks futuristic and sleek. It makes night cooking actually enjoyable instead of a struggle with a flashlight. You have enough room to cook for 20 people without breaking a sweat. It is a serious investment of both money and space. You need a big patio to make this work. But for the person who lives to entertain, it is the ultimate upgrade. It turns a simple Tuesday night dinner into a full-on culinary performance. You are not just flipping burgers anymore. You are managing a professional line. The durability means it will be there for years of summer parties. It is a statement piece. It says you take your outdoor life seriously. It bridges the gap between a casual hobby and a true passion for cooking in the open air. Everything feels deliberate. The knobs turn with a satisfying weight. The lid opens smoothly. You can feel the quality in the hinges. This is about more than just food. It is about creating a space where people want to gather. You become the chef you always wanted to be. The transition from your indoor kitchen to the outdoor island is seamless. No more missing out on the conversation while you check the roast. You are the center of the action. This setup delivers on every promise of backyard luxury. The storage space is another huge win. You can keep your cleaning supplies and spare propane hidden away. This keeps the whole area looking tidy. Even the way the doors click shut feels high-end. You are not dealing with flimsy metal here. This is heavy-duty construction. Rain or shine, the stainless steel holds its luster. It requires some maintenance to keep it looking perfect, but the effort pays off every time you step outside. It makes you want to cook outside even when it is a bit chilly. You find excuses to use it. You start trying complex recipes. The versatile burners encourage experimentation. It really is a game changer for your backyard lifestyle.